Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make cranberry sauce, and you will never want to use a store-bought jar of cranberry sauce again. It's super simple, tastes much better, and it can be made ahead of time. Just store it in sterilised jars and you can get on with it quite early. Okay, so I have 300 grams of cranberries. And to these, I'm just going to add 150 grams of sugar. They are very tart and sour, so they do need quite a bit of sugar. To this, I'm just going to add 75 mils of water, 30 mils of Cointreau. That's 2 tablespoons if that makes things easier. And then I'm just going to add the zest and juice of an orange. You can use a couple of clementines if you have them as well. And it's thanks in part to the pectin and the cranberries that makes this so simple. You don't need to use a jam sugar or anything. The pectin, because they're so loaded with pectin, it will help them, it really turn jammy, which makes things a lot easier. That's my zesting done. Now for the juice. Onto the hob for 10 to 15 minutes over a medium heat, and that's it. The berries will pop as they cook, and once they've all but popped, your sauce is ready. It's had its time on the hob, so I'm just going to pour it off and allow it to cool. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Please keep tuned for all my festive recipes. I have many coming up: how to deal with the leftovers, to create new and exciting feasts.